companies in integrating the AI system with their existing infrastructure. The sheer volume of data to be processed was overwhelming, but with persistence and innovation, they overcame these obstacles. They fine-tuned the AI algorithms, enhanced their data processing capabilities, and ensured seamless integration with their infrastructure. The results were nothing short of transformative. The AI system could accurately predict potential failures, allowing the plant to perform maintenance tasks proactively. This drastically reduced downtime, saving significant costs and improving overall efficiency. But most importantly, it enhanced the safety of the plant and its workers by preventing unforeseen equipment failures. In the end, the plant's bold move to embrace AI paid off. They turned their frequent, costly, and dangerous downtimes into a thing of the past. They moved from a reactive maintenance approach to a proactive, predictive one, setting a new standard for the chemical industry. As illustrated by this case study, AI can play a vital role in predictive maintenance in chemical plants. So, what can we gather from our discussion today? We've seen how vital predictive maintenance is in the realm of chemical plants. It's not just about saving money by preventing unexpected downtime. It's about ensuring the safety of the people who work there and the communities that surround these facilities. Artificial intelligence acts as the linchpin in this process, providing the tools and insights needed to predict and prevent potential failures. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of machinery health, flagging potential issues before they become catastrophic problems. Recalling our real-world case study, we can appreciate how AI-driven predictive maintenance has transformed the operations of a chemical plant. It has not only improved efficiency but also significantly mitigated risks, creating a safer and more productive environment. Ultimately, AI can help chemical plants operate more efficiently and safely, making predictive maintenance not just a possibility but a